All right, time for our third project. This is what I want you to do. I want you to add an anchored part. So add a part and then make it anchored. Then I want you to wait 3 seconds. I like waiting 3 seconds, I know. I want you to make the part 3 times as big as it is. Next, I want you to move it to 0 in the X, 25 in the Y, and 0 in the Z. And then finally, I want you to rotate it 45 degrees on the Z-axis. And this is the first project. This is the first project I want you to do this video. Pause it now and try to do it on your own. And I'll go through my solutions after. So again, Control Slash to comment it out by line. And the first thing we're going to do, add an anchored part. And we can do this local part equals instance.new part in strings. And then we want it in workspace, of course. What's next? We task.wait 3 seconds. We're gonna make the part 3 times as big as it is. So part.size equal, we want it to be the same size, but 3 times bigger. So part.size, and then we just multiply it by 3. And this will multiply it by 3 in the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. You can just multiply it by 3. It's pretty neat. We want it to move it to the location of 0, 25, 0. We'll do that part dot position equals vector3 dot new 0 comma 25 comma 0 and rotate it 45 degrees in the z-axis. That's just part dot rotation equals vector3 dot new 0 comma 45 comma 0. And you could space this out a little bit just to make it look nicer. Look how nice that looks. Don't forget, we want an anchored part, so part dot anchored equals true. My bad. So we add a part that's anchored, and then we move it up, rotate it 45 degrees, and made it 3 times bigger. The second project, first thing I want you to do is make a variable called channel awesomeness and set this equal to a percent. Well, not really a percent, just the number from 0 to 100. This channel is really awesome. Make it 100% awesome. So just write 100, set equal to 100. Maybe it's like 50%, just write 50. I don't know, whatever you decide. And then make an if statement that checks if the variable is equal to 100. And if it is, then print a. Make another statement using else if that checks if the variable is equal to 99. And if it is, then print things are going downhill. And if it's anything but 100 or 99, then print yikes. And then it also prints, give me some feedback on what I can do better. So pause the video now and then I'll show you my solution for this. So make a local variable, channel awesomeness, obviously 100%, right? And we want the first if statement, if channel awesomeness is equal to 100, then print a. Let me just move this end down here since we're going to be still doing stuff here. Then else if channel awesomeness is equal to 99, then print things are going downhill. Else, if it's not 100 or 99, print yikes. And then print give me some feedback on what I can do better. Let me just make this a little cleaner by spacing it out a little bit more. You can do this, it won't affect the script at all. Just make everything nice and fit, aligned together. It's still a little messy, but it's okay. So the channel awesomeness is at 100 right now. Should print out a. What if I make it equal to 99? Things are going downhill. Yeah, tell me about it. Now let's make it 101. Yeah, you guys thought I meant this if it was bad. If it's anything higher than 100, I still want some feedback. Okay. Yikes. Give me some feedback on what I can do better.